X dancers, it's Anthony and Rose, and it's Two-Steppin' Tuesday. Today we have something a little bit different for you guys. If you haven't noticed, we are in a different location than we normally are. We're here at Market Street in the Woodlands, Texas.
And it's cold.
It's cold outside. And we're here in front of this beautiful tree. We're really in the holiday spirit, and we want to bring those fun, festive vibes here to you too. But this tree is not the only cool thing about this video. We have a cool, fun new pattern for you, so let's get into it.
All right guys, this pattern is kind of a Christmas gift to you guys because you can use it in two-step, but you can also use it in West Coast Swing and a lot of other different dances. By the way, if you guys are new to this channel, there's a little button down here and it says subscribe. You know what happens if you click it? You become an X dancer, and then you know when all the awesome stuff has happened on the channel. So we're gonna demonstrate it and then we're gonna break it down. All right guys, so we're lead her forward for a basic for quick, slow, take her to the outside. We're gonna lead her over the top, taking a two-hand hold. We're gonna wrap her up, get into this nice, cool little ronde. We got her all twisted up here for a double turn into a separation. All right guys, we're gonna break this down one piece at a time, okay? So now we're gonna start in this basic closed position, and we just lead her forward for a quick, slow, but on that second slow, we begin to take her to that outside rail and raise the hand at the same time. We're using our shoulders, and we initiate that turn over her head, walking up next to her, and getting into two hands. Okay, so now if we show you that from this position and we've led her to the outside, what I've got to do is now I've got to walk up next to her and catch both hands. So I'm turning her with my left hand, I'm beside her with both hands. Okay, so
make sure you keep that arm available, guard the girls, so he can go ahead and catch that there.
So we lead her to the outside, we raise the hand up. Now she's got this halo that goes around her head because she's an angel. We circle that around her head and we receive that opposite hand on the way through. Now let me show you what the hands are doing on this next piece. All right, so the left hand stays down, the right hand goes up to her shoulder. So with the right hand, basically all I'm doing is placing it on her shoulder, and that's a quick slow. With the left hand, we're gonna do what's called break the wrist, which is basically turning the wrist over. So if we're here, the left hand goes behind her back and we're placing it up against her hip bone. All right, so we're leading her in for quick slow. From here, she's gonna do an and slow. So we start to unwind her for an and, leaders are just holding, and then I'm gonna transfer my weight to my right as she does this ronde. So what the leaders are doing is quick, slow, hold, back up for slow. She's going quick, slow, sa, low, if that makes any sense at all right? So
totally.
We're here for slow, and we dance quick, slow, and she's gonna dance sa, low, right? So on rondes, one thing that's really important is that we have this opposition. So if you have this kind of, you know, when you were kids and you did this ring around the rosy thing where your weight is kind of stretched and away from each other, that's kind of what we want a little bit when she's doing that ronde. So we don't want to just be standing here allowing her to support her own weight. We got to help her out, right? So what we really want is we want this to be where she does that ronde where we're leaning away from each other. She's going to have a nice round ronde, which is basically what ronde means. It means round, okay? She's going to go all the way through that for slow, and then she's going to step back on that for quick. All right, so we're leading her forward for quick, slow. I'm on my left foot, she's on her right. I'm gonna stay here as she steps sa, and then I'm redirecting for low, that's sa, low. That step is gonna land for a quick, and then it's quick, slow. So the whole thing, that ronde lasts for a slow, and then it's gonna come down for quick, slow. So if you watch the rhythm on that, we actually have quick, slow, sa, low, quick, slow. All right, to show her footwork, she's dancing quick, slow, and then she's stepping sa, low, quick, slow. This is like one of my favorite things about dancing two-step or West Coast is like, I don't do much. Like, she has to do all the work. I'm just like hanging out and standing there making her do stuff. But we're leading her forward for a quick, slow. Now for the leader's footwork, he's holding that for sa, and then he's redirecting to that right foot for low. I'm standing on that foot for quick, slow. Now, depending on what happens next, he might have to take a couple steps. If you're really, really close to her, you might be able to just stay on that foot. But if she's getting too far away like that, we might actually have to take a couple steps to manage that space. So whenever she does that ronde, quick, quick, slow, I might have to step together and lean into that step again. The biggest thing is we want her to be all the way opened up and back on that right foot with my weight still on my right. All right, guys, so from here, all we have to do to lead her out is we want to step to our left foot and keep that hand down, okay? So that's gonna initiate her motion. Once she's in motion for that turn, we just ask for that left hand, and then we're gonna lead her for the double turn. So if she's back into this position, I'm gonna lead her out asking for that hand. I'm basically gonna stand there until we separate for that last piece. Okay, so let's talk about her rhythm a little bit. So she's in this position. This is slow. Now we're gonna lead her for an and quick, quick, and quick, 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 slow, slow, and we create that elasticity again. Another option there, if you just want to finish the pattern there, you could actually get into this position, lead her forward for that double turn, and then just take her right back into a closed dance position if that's what you want to do, right? Like, you have options, okay? Now, if we were dancing this and we did it the whole way through with the timing, it's going to be quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, 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 slow, slow. Guys, at the beginning, I told you guys that you could also do this in West Coast swing. So let me give you an idea of what that would look like. If we were to do any pattern like an underarm pass, we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now we're just doing the same thing for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All the way here, leading her forward, and then just finish with an anchor in place. So it is dual purpose. It's Christmas. This is our gift to you. And another gift that we have coming, actually will be here in a couple weeks. If you look down in the description of this video, there's gonna be a link to X Dance University, okay? We love doing these videos on YouTube. We got our Facebook, all that stuff, but there's only so much we can do. We actually own a couple studios in the Houston area, and that private one-on-one engagement is something that we thrive on. We really feel like that's the best way to learn to dance. But with the video, we've developed this software, this X Dance University. It is a training platform, a virtual training platform, where it is the closest thing that you can get to private instruction.
Yes.
Like, for real, completely different than anything you've ever seen. So check out that link down below. Now, we're gonna demonstrate this in music, and then we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.